2 boxes of 2023 Topps Chrome Platinum Anniversary. Yep, Tier 1, LaytonSportsCards.com. Yeah, I'd agree with that, Rory. That's an insane amount. It'll be worth it, though. It'll be worth it. Let me go ahead and stack these. I'm not sure how many there are currently, but there's more in stock still. Yeah, it's pretty late, Rory. Crawford Refractor. Got a blue Prism rookie auto of Charles LeBlanc. Charles LeBlanc rookie blue Prism auto, 66 of 99. Topps Refractor to 499, Joe Mauer. CJ Cron Refractor. Green Wave, Tyler Anderson, number to 99. Vavra Refractor. X-Fractor rookie, Taj Bradley. Buto rookie refractor. Blue Mini Diamond, Will Benson to 199. Bob Gibson refractor. Speckle, Tariq Skubal to 150. Harrison Bader, number 9 of 10 on the black. 9 of 10 Bader. Sean Murphy refractor. And number to 100 rookie Corey Lee. All right, one more. All right, y'all got a few more orders after this. Wasn't ripped tonight. I'd probably get it in. It's after midnight. If the queue ends, then I'll just call it a night. All right, let's do it. King Felix Refractor. Roy Campanella, number to 75 on the rose gold. Refractor Miguel Cabrera. Topps Fractor Nick Vespi, rookie to 499. X-Fractor rookie Tristan Casas. Rendon Refractor. Senzel Refractor. Caleb Hamilton rookie to 499. Topps Fractor. Refractor rookie Brian Bayo. Rookie auto Brian Servin. A Michael Harris rookie number to 100. Nice Michael. ATL Michael, that is. Another rookie auto, Jonathan Aranda, bonus. Number to 99. Blue Mini Diamond, Gabriel Moreno, rookie to 199. Jock Peterson Refractor. And Speckle Israel Pineda, rookie to 150. All right, that'll do it. Appreciate you, Todd. We'll get those out to you.